I love to worship Bhagavan, but nobody knew the meaning of Bhagavan. Bhagavan is different, Deva is different, Ishvara is different. There is lot of it. 10th is different, Inter is different, PhD is different. I have done PhD from Osmania University. Somebody is having only graduation certificate. But when it comes to qualification, educational criteria, both are not same. Okay, right? So, Deva is different, Ishvara is different, Bhagavan is different. So, Bhagavad Gita, it's a part of Mahabharata. Mahabharata is the biggest scripture in the world. 1,20,000 slokas. How many chapters? Drona, Karna, Shakya, Krupa, Sauptika, Ashramavasa, Mausala, Mahaprasthana, Swargarohana. Those 18 chapters divided into 3 categories. One is Adi Panchakam, Adi Sabha, Aranya, Virata, Udyoga. Then Yuddha Shaktam. When it comes to Kurukshetra War, described in 6 chapters. Mahabharata. These 6 chapters deals with only Kurukshetra War. Kurukshetra War described in 6 chapters. What are they? Bhishma, Yuddha Shaktam. యుద్ధానికి సంబంధించి 6 అధ్యాయాలలో కురుక్షేత్ర యుద్ధాన్ని వర్ణించారు. వాట్ ఆర్ దే? భీష్మ, ద్రోణ, కర్ణ, శల్య, కృప, సౌప్తిక, స్త్రీ పర్వం. So then why we should read? How it is useful for this present scenario? We have to think. Bhagavad Gitayaah patanena shravanena kim labah vartate agacchati. We have to think. Sir, why should I read? Why should I read Bhagavad Gita? Bhagavad Gita kimartham paditavyam? Kimartham padaniyam? Bhagavad Gitayaah labah kim? If I read Bhagavad Gita, what are the benefits? Right? So, after Kurukshetra War, Mahabharata deals with peace. Because Mahabharata is the essence of all 4 Vedas. What is another title of Mahabharata? Panchama Vedam. Why it is called 5th Veda? Because the essence of all 4 Vedas mentioned in Mahabharata. Then if you want to know the greatness of Mahabharata, Dharmecha, Arthecha, Kamecha, Mokshecha, Bharatarshava, Yati hasti tadanyatra, enne hasti natat pachit. So what is there in Mahabharata? What is described in Mahabharata? The description of Dharma. How to understand the concept of Dharma? How to understand the concept of Dharma, the meaning of Dharma, classification of Dharma. So what is the definition of Dharma? Dhutikshama, Dhamosteyam, Sauchamindriya Nigraha, Dhir Vidya, Satyam Akrodaha, Dashakam, Dharma Lakshanam. Our all is holy scripture, they are not religious scripture, they are universal scriptures. The ultimate aim, motto of Sanatana Dharma is Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu, Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Live and let live. Those who are living on this planet, everybody should be happy. It is our, if they are not happy, it is our responsibility to make them happy. Okay, if you are not happy, you have so many problems, you are facing a lot of problems. Some people are committing suicides, they don't know how to face problems. People are dying with problems. Kabatti, if you read Bhagavad Gita gives solution for all problems, whether they are physical or mental. Bhagavad Gitayaah patanena manasika shanti, manasika anandam, prashaddata, swargam, punyam agacchati. If you read Bhagavad Gita, if you understand the essence of Bhagavad Gita, we are human beings. What is the ultimate aim of human being? To escape from that cycle of birth and death. Manavanam parama kartavyam, manavanam parama lakshyam moksha sadhanam. Dharma, artha, kama, moksha sadhanam. Chaturveda Purushartha. We have to follow. So being a human, you are supposed to follow the path of the Dharma. Dharma makes you extraordinary person. Ordinary person can become extraordinary person by following the principles of Dharma. So we have to follow Dharma. What is Dharma? Yatopyudaya nisreyasa siddhi dharma. Okay, you are an ordinary person. If you want to become topper, you read the chapter of Bhagavad Gita. So Lord Sri Krishna, he composed Bhagavad Gita based on Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Karma